Sloths, perhaps one of the most captivating creatures in the animal kingdom, are renowned for their extreme slowness and unique adaptations. Living primarily in the rainforests of Central and South America, they spend their lives suspended upside down from trees. Their leisurely pace is a result of their slow metabolism, enabling them to survive on a diet of leaves. Despite their sluggishness, sloths are incredible climbers, possess a natural camouflage, and are surprisingly good swimmers. Their adorable appearance, with a perpetual smile on their faces, makes them endearing to many, while their fascinating lifestyle and adaptations continue to pique the interest of wildlife enthusiasts worldwide.